Hi guys, this is Steve Goshen Crypto from Goshen Arbitrarge and Crypto Trading Platform. Okay, this is 2:23 a.m. in Nigeria. Today is on the 31st January 2024. Okay, you can see the price of Bitcoin, but that's not what I want to show you. Okay, let's go to trade. You can see trade here. So let's go to trade. So you can see this USDT NGN pair here. You can see the price of USDT. This is the price of USDT as of today, as of right now on the spot market. Now you can see that USDT has been increasing against Naira for some months now. So let's check the chart. Okay, you can see that we have on a 1 day time frame, we have a, okay, let me draw a chart. Okay, you can see that we have an uptrend. You can see that we have an uptrend right from here. So you can see that we have a serious uptrend. Is a serious uptrend, right? So dollar is skyrocketing against Naira. So if you want to even see the MACD, let's go here and see MACD, moving average convergent divergence. You can see that it is up. That is, the MACD line is above the signal line. You can see this is a yellow line going up, is above the signal line. It has been climbing in an uptrend. Although the reason why I'm showing us this is to just teach us how to do USDT NGN arbitrage. USDT NGN arbitrage. Now you can see that in, okay, this is a 1 day time frame. Let's use the 1 week. So we're in 1 week. This is the week we are. The previous week, this is the previous week. This is the candle for the previous week, because each candle here represents 1 week. So this is the candle for the previous week. You can see that it traded as low as 1344. So if you bought here at this, at the low for the previous week, right, at 1344, now the present price is now at 1443. So there is a price difference because Naira is falling against USDT, and you can use this to make profit on Binance bots. Now you can also deposit fiat, that is deposit Naira via the deposit. Let's come to the home screen via the deposit. So this is it, the deposit fiat. You can see it here. I have a video for that. I will put the link in the description, how to deposit fiat. So when you click it, you deposit your fiat, you come to trade. Now you can see I have this amount of Naira here, 109 Naira. So when this USDT dip against Naira, I would have to buy, let's say, 100,000 worth of USDT. I'm not buying now. So immediately I buy, I will get a USDT, right? Now when it goes up, when USDT goes up against Naira, I come to P2P to sell. So that's what we do. You can also sell at the spots, at the spot trade. You can also sell at the spot trade, right? But it is more expensive. That is, you get more gain when you sell it on P2P. Now this is P2P NGN. So let's come here to buy, but because we want to sell. Now you can see something in the buy section. Let's come to sell first. You can see there are available ads under the sell sections, right? You can see that it was selling at 1444, 1443. Now there on the P2P is selling at 1485. So you get more profit here after doing the arbitrage. That is, after you have deposited Naira. I have a video for that. I'll put the link in the description. And after you have deposited Naira, you use it to buy USDT on the spot market when it's deep. Then you keep that USDT till when the USDT rise against Naira. Then you come back to P2P and sell. You can also sell on the spot market, but it will not give you more profit. Now, there's one surprising thing I saw now. I want us to see it on the buy section. You can see it says no ads. So people are holding their USDT. They are not selling it. Actually, they are not selling it. But I want to sell a few of my USDT and use it. You understand? Because I've actually done arbitrage with it and I want to sell. So let's come here. Let me show you how to sell. Remember, the main objective is to show you how to do USDT NGN arbitrage on Binance spot. Then how to deposit Naira. You see the link in the description. And also how to trade your USDT when it has climbed rise against the Naira on Binance P2P to make profit, like what I want to do now. Okay, I bought this USDT at 1,315 and now I'm about to sell it at 1,485. So let's go ahead. Okay, so let me filter. I'll sell, let's say what, 50,000, right? Okay, use merchant only. Okay, this guy has 95%. If I trade 30 minutes, let me see if I can have say somewhere in 15 minutes. Okay, you see this guy, bank transfer 15 minutes 99, and has done 1,008 trades. So this guy is a good guy. He's good to go. So let me sell. Okay, so I want to sell around 43 USDT. You can see 43 USD is giving me around 63,000. This is huge, right? I'm a profit, so I will use my I'll use my Stanbic. Where's my Stanbic bank? Okay, so let's read his. Can you see? I don't pay third party account, his terms and conditions. I don't cancel trade too. Also know that payment will be made from my business account, Express K Trading Forum, either of this account. Please that you do not place order with me if you are not comfortable with my terms. Right? So let's go on. Let's sell to this guy. I'm collecting 63, so take note of what you're collecting. And voila. Okay, so let's wait for him to make the payment. So let me drop my number. He's online. You can see he's online. So you take note of the timer. Let me just talk to him. Are you online for trade? Go ahead and make payment. So let's wait for this guy to make payment, right? So that this video will not be long. We'll pause. Okay guys, you can see that this guy has paid. The former buyer cancelled it. So let me click. He's saying please release. So I've checked it. The money has entered into my account. You can see. So I'll click on payment receipt. I've received the payment. Confirm. So don't forget the main purpose of this particular video. So you can see the amount we made. We sold it 63,874 and we sold 43 USDT. So let's go back to spot trade. Let's go back to spot trade. Let's go back to spot trade. Okay, we are back at our spot trade. Let's see how much we bought. You know, I told you I bought it at 1,315. Let's see how much we bought it. Then 1,315 was when I bought it last week. And let's say 43 USDT. That's what we sold. So you can see that the amount we bought it was 56,500. You can see it here, 56,500. So we bought 43 USDT for at last week for what? 56,500, right? And we sold it at 63. That's how much difference we're talking about. We're talking about, let's say 7,000 plus. Okay, so that's how to trade USDT and NGN arbitrage, right? So remember, you come to this chart. Now when you see a drop, a significant drop like this, you buy this level. But remember, you need to have Naira on this account on your Binance, and I'll drop a video to teach you how to deposit Naira via deposit fiat. Okay, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this channel, send me any of your questions in the comment box and what you want me to teach you, and I will let you know. Thank you.